YouTube, Fred Bergeron here from Inaxsys Security Systems. In today's video, I want to show you how to create and manage holidays and schedules with the ICT Protege WX system. Okay, this is part of the end user training, and obviously we need to know this for every single project that you will do for your clients, or if you're a client, then please watch the video. It will be very helpful. All right, so let's go to the WX web interface and let's have a look at how this is done. From the main page, from the home page, I want to go under scheduling. Okay, so if it's a brand new system that you just programmed, or that you are in the process of programming, you will notice that the time is wrong. Like if you look at my system here, it's in 2006. So every new panel, when you power up the system, will default in 2006, at the beginning of 2006. So before you can start using schedules or holidays even, you want to go under scheduling and time. All right, and then you can apply the PC time for now, and it's gonna basically change to the correct date and time. All right, and obviously if this computer is connected to the internet, we strongly suggest to have a time server. For instance, at Inaxsys, we always use the primary and secondary time servers from Google. Okay, so this is very important, because if the clock of your panel is wrong, obviously card access will not function properly unless they have 24/7 access. Okay, so now that the time is accurate on my WX system, let's have a look at how we can create holiday groups. Okay, so holiday groups define how the schedule will work in the system. Okay, so for instance, I created one called 2023. All right, and you'll see that this is where we create all the holidays. All right, so a civic holiday, Christmas, New Year, all these holidays, usually we recommend creating them in advance. Okay, so let's say I want to create Christmas. Okay, so what you'll see is there's a repeat option here in there. So obviously Christmas and New Year, it's the same date every year. All right, so you may want to check the repeat option, so you don't have to remember next year to go back in and then change the the year for Christmas or the New Year. All right. Also, there's a start and an end date. So by default, the start and end date is on the same date, meaning the holiday will be valid for 24 hours. Okay. Now, if you want the holiday to be a whole week, okay, let's say your client is a school and it closed for 2 months in the summer, you can basically set the start and end date, and you only have one entry to create. It's a lot easier than having to create 60 different holidays for just one period. So it's the start and an end date. Okay, so this is an example. If I want to go and grab Christmas, December 25th, it's a Monday this year. All right, so same thing with the end date. Okay, December 25th. Okay, so in this example, the system will take effect, or sorry, the holiday will take effect on December 25th for 24 hours. Okay, so basically in this list, you create the whole list of all the holidays your company, your client will have within a year, and then when is a holiday that is on a fixed date, you can click the repeat option. All right, so let me save this. So the next step in the scheduling system is to create schedules. Okay, so let's add a new one. Let's say front door. Okay, the way I like to explain it is typically there's two different types of schedules in an ICT WX system, or a GX system. So one type of schedule will be assigned to doors for automatic door unlock. Okay, so you want the front door to unlock at 8 o'clock in the morning and lock at 5, for instance. Okay, and the other type of schedules to me is the schedules that will be assigned to access levels, or to door groups, or to doors in access levels. So this will make a difference in terms of when the users can access the card access readers and the keypads for arming and disarming. Okay, so in this example, what I would like to do is to have the main entrance door, all right, unlocked. Sorry, here. So wait, 8 o'clock in the morning. Let's say to 6 p.m. and okay. All right, and then I check Monday to Friday. All right, so basically, as you can see at the bottom, the green graphic shows when the schedule is valid. So if I'm using this schedule in a door, the door will be unlocked when it's green. If I'm using this schedule in an access level, people will have access when it's green at the bottom. Okay, it's very easy to see and remember. Okay, now what about holiday groups? Okay, so if I want this door to be locked on Christmas Day, or sorry, I check this, you know, so that you don't have to think of, you know, disabling the schedule in advance. All right, if I go back here, so remember I assigned the 2023 holiday group to my schedule. Okay, so under configuration, there's different ways of enabling or disabling the schedule. So by default, the option that is selected for you is disabled on holiday. That's the most common one that we use. Okay, this means that when at midnight on the 24th, between 24th and 25th of December, the holiday will go valid and the schedule will be canceled, okay, for 24 hours. The next day, if it's a normal Tuesday, you know, then the system will unlock the door like before, okay? So that's the disabled on holiday option. The enable on holiday option will make this period number 1, only valid when there's a holiday. So this can be useful if you want, let's say, the door to unlock, let's say just from 8 to noon instead of 8 to 6 p.m., you know, on December 24th because you're leaving early, or, you know, things like that. So that's basically going to be enabled on holiday. So when it's a normal, you know, day, we use period 1, and then when it's enabled on holiday, we'll go switch to period number 2, okay? And ignore holiday, basically this schedule or this schedule's period is not affected by the holiday, okay? But again, the most common one used here is disabled on holiday, okay? So when any holiday of that group is enabled at midnight, this system will basically cancel the schedule, okay? So again, this was how to configure the scheduling features of the ICT Protege WX system. I hope you liked the video. Remember, Inaxsys is the Canadian distributor of ICT products. If you need help with quotes or if you need a demonstration on any of those products, please visit the inaxsys.com website, and then you will be able to reach us so that we can help quickly. All right? I hope you liked the video. Please hit the subscribe button, the like button, send your questions down below. We always answer quickly. My name is Fred Bergeron. Thanks for watching.